Hey guys, SuperXTurbo here, and today we're going to do a little tutorial on how to create an HTML website using Notepad. And this is very easy, and they are very simple steps. Hopefully you will play, not play along, but hopefully you'll be able to catch up along me, and hopefully it'll work out for the best. So let's get fully started. First of all, open Notepad by either creating a shortcut or going to Start, All Programs, Accessories, and click Notepad, and that will open this Notepad page, as you can see, which we have open right here. Okay, now to start HTML, you're going to want the basic coding, which is open arrow, HTML, closed arrow, title, head, and body. Which all these have a meaning. HTML is obviously means it's HTML website, and the title is your title of the first page, which we'll call it main page, obviously, or home, whichever you want to call it. Head, we don't want to use that, and your body's like font color and font sizes and things like that. Okay, so to get started on your basic website, you're going to want the basics. So of course you're going to want to do what I've done here by HTML, title, head and body. Now your title won't work unless you, when you finish writing your title, at the end of it do the same, but before you write title, do a slash, / and title, and then close them like that. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is just click File, Save As, and make sure you do it file name and call it home.html, and make sure that you do this very important step here. All files, you have to save it as a type. Let me show you that save as a type bit. Save as type here under file name. Make sure you save it as all files, so it saves the HTML, and then just click save. And forget that bit because I've already got one named home. Okay, so once you've done that bit, you can get back to your website again, and we're actually just going to open it. So let's go to our home and just reopen it. Which should be opening now, and then you'll see I've opened it in Firefox, and you're going to see what it's like. So this is it. Obviously, file, see, users, family, desktop. Obviously, I mean, it's George just bought it off someone anyway, and then desktop, and then home. Okay, and this is obviously your website in Firefox, or your default browser. But of course, there is no background, and there is no title or anything. Well, there is a title, but there's no body or color. So what you want to do is, after body, get rid of that arrow and type in BG color equals open speech mark, I don't know, black. Let's put it black, and then close speech mark, and then close the arrow. Then click save, and then reopen your website again, which is a fairly easy task anyway. And if you see the error that I have done, where the background hasn't changed, then you've of course done it wrong. So go back to it, and the BG color, get rid of that space. Now click save, reopen your browser again, and refresh the page, and now as you can see, it has gone black, which is of course what we wanted. So let's just go to minimize, and then now we can quite simply also change the font size. So let's type in size equals open bracket 10 close bracket close arrow, and we also want to put some text in, so we'll put first text for my website, and then we'll click file, save, and we'll reopen this and refresh it, and of course it will have changed, because there you can see it there. But there's one thing we ain't got. You can't see it because we haven't changed the colour. So let's go and minimize this website, and then we'll go down to here, and we'll change the colour by typing in font color equals bracket open bracket, and we're going to put yellow, close bracket, close bracket, file, save, website page again, refresh, refresh, and whoa, there's an error there, it hasn't worked. What's going on? Background color black, font color. Let's get rid of that space. Save. And then refresh. Hang on a minute. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. Let's after we've done the site, let's go to BG color. Then we'll close the bracket. Oh, and then we'll open a new bracket with font coloring, and we'll have it like that. And then file, save. Go over here, refresh your page, and boom. There we go. We've got it in yellow. So yeah, sorry about that mistake. I did a little bit of a coding error, which I fixed, and it's actually took me 15 minutes to work out what I did wrong, and it was one simple little tiny thing. Okay, now before we end the episode, we're going to want one more thing done, which is, you see this here, we want to change our size. So after that, press this, get rid of that, obviously we had like that. Now get rid of that, do a space, and do size equals bracket, open bracket, open speech max, and we'll type in 12, do that, and boom, save, refresh. There you go, text is much bigger. Now one last thing, we are going to want to change where the position of the text is. So what you do is, before this bit where we're at first text my website, put a space between that and the body, like this, and then between the space of the body and the first text, type in this open arrow, and then type in CENTER, and then close the arrow. And quite simply, now once you've done that, this will now be set aligned centered. So save, refresh, in the center of the page. Now if you want some text in the center and you want some text at the side of here, then simply go to new line, center, close arrow, but make sure you put the slash before it, like I said. Then click file, save. Now from now on, when you write text after the center, put to see if this works. Click file, save, minimize that, go over this, refresh, and there you go. So that's it for the today's session. It was fairly simple. It was really easy for you guys. I hope you enjoy doing this, and hopefully you'll get a bit of your website started, so that next week, well, no, tomorrow, later on, we can move on to the more advanced stuff. So I'll see you guys later, and hope you've enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, comment, and like. So I'll see you guys later, and see you in the next video. Goodbye guys, and thanks so much for watching.